Have you ever heard the sound of an elk bugle? It's one of the most haunting sounds that nature has to offer, and if you haven't heard it, you're about to, because I just filmed one from about 30 yards away, bugling directly at me and my camera. It was a pretty intense moment that I wanted to share with you guys. So, here it is.